Hi guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Here we go with a little quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro, now on special offer due to Black Friday. There we go. And well, here in Cyprus, Black Friday unfortunately starts, or fortunately even, starts halfway through the month of November. I know that in the States and in other countries, Black Friday is usually on a Friday. So I wouldn't call it really Black Friday. Here we go. So we've got the buds. Can you see those? Yeah. There you go, it's already charged. Looking nice, aren't they? Buds 3 Pro. As well as some booklets. Some booklets in here. Charging cable. And that's it. So apparently when these are connected, let's have a look. Okay, so they stand up like that. Let's see what we've got here. All right, so we've got the Buds 3 pair. Is that working? Yep. Let me put the brightness down on that, maybe. That's a bit better. Okay, so now it's downloading the software. But from what I understand, these are going to be the bomb. So we've got a button here to pair them, if they haven't been paired, to connect to your phone. I'm going to go with, okay, adaptive noise control, voice and siren detection, and we're all set. Okay, and so let's have a look here. Sound quality and voice detect and siren detect. And you can choose to use ambient sound during calls. Earbud settings. So you've got all these settings over here. Let's do an update and see what's going on. Should be all right. Oh, all right, we've already got an update. 7.7 megabytes, just for stability and reliability. Let's update that. Okay, what's next? Time left. Let's copy in the update to the buds. Okay. Are we still going? Yes, we are. Right, we'll see how long it takes. It's going to take some time. 2 minutes. Okay, I'll let it copy and get back to you. All right, so let's have a look here. We've got 19 seconds to go. So I just got these ones today. They cost €199 on special offer from €250 because of Black Friday. So they have 50 euros off. I don't know what it's going to be like in your country next week. I'm guessing Black Friday's on the 29th. Okay, download and install. Perfect. Connect. Oh, did you see those lights come on? So I'm going to put, let's see what we've got here. Earbud controls. Earbud light controls blinking. So let's see what happens when we take him out. Or a steady one. Alright. How do we switch it on? Okay, so you've got the sound quality and effects. So you've got 360 audio. Equalizer goes on dynamic. Those are my adjust the sound to fit. Quality options, ultra high quality IQ audio, which I'm going to put. Earbud fit test, no thank you. 360 audio, no thank you. Earbud settings, in-ear detection. No, okay, that's fine. Pause media when one earbud removed. No, I'm okay. Switch calls to phone when both earbuds removed. Perfect. Seamless earbud connection on. Yeah. Gaming mode in labs. No, thank you. Not much of a gamer. All right, that's about it. So let's see. Are we connected? We are connected. Done. So let's give it a first test. Does it write? So we've got orange, or red is, I'm guessing, the right. Let's give it a test. Oh, nice. And that. So let's see. Let's put some music on and see if the lights light up. No, they don't. But wow, that sounds really good. Oh. Oh, yes. Very good. Lights don't come on though. So, oh. All right, so on the sides here, that's a button. I don't know. I guess it takes time. Okay, so it's on this bit here, and it's an actual button. I don't want the tips. Get started. Lights. Ambient light. No, light. Light controls. Okay. Switch noise controls. Pinch and hold controls. Okay. Oh, it's got interpreter. It's got Bixby, mindfulness. What's that? Whatever you've last played in mindfulness section of the health of Samsung Health is what will start playing next. Okay. Then you've got Spotify. So these control Spotify, Bixby, the interpreter, mindfulness from Samsung Health, Spotify. That's if you pinch and hold. Decline call, pinch and hold, answer call, pinch. Earbud light controls, but blinking, okay. Why are they not blinking? Okay, so the button's here. It's weird. It's weird. It's alright. I'm just trying to figure out a way to... The lights. Why are the lights working? I don't know if they're working. I don't know if they're working. So now they're charging. I'm going to put it on steady because I want them to see me at night. Steady media controls. So you swipe up, pinch to play pause, double pinch for next track, triple pinch for previous track. Swipe up and down. Oh, do you see that? I'm swiping up and down. Sorry if my head got in the way. That's to bring up the volume. And that's on either side, I'm guessing. Yeah. Bring it down. Pinch to pause. Okay, so it takes a bit of time to pause it. All right. Okay, yes. That's nice. I like these and they fit really snug. I think in the box you do get, let me put ambient sound on first of all. Oh Lord, ambient sound so I can hear what I was saying. 1, 2, that's better. Oh, ambient sound. So in the box you do get the wire booklets. So where are the, oh there they are. Okay, so you get extra buds as usual. Here they are here. Nice one. Alright. Earbud controls we've done, sound quality we've done, earbud settings, seamless earbud connection. Don't want to reset, we've done an earbud software update about earbuds. There you go. What else? These read the notifications out loud while using phone. Alarm, incoming call, yes. Messages, yes. Missed call, okay. And here you either allow all or just pick the ones that you want. These ones are already picked for you and you can pick other ones too. Incoming call, perfect, all right. Labs is gaming mode only, as you can see there. And that's it. That's it for the earbuds, and they absolutely sound amazing. And they fit so snug. Much better than the other ones. Try it again. Play. Play. There you go. Nice. Volume down. Volume down. Okay, so you can do voice controls. So there's got voice commands like play music, music, or play music. Oh, nice. Stop music. Volume up. Volume down. Nice. Make a phone call. No. That's cool. That's cool. So you don't even have to touch your earbuds. And put those in. To turn on lights, switch them on. Hold them, take them out in your hand. Long press. There you go. Lights are on. And now you can have them blinking. Like that. Fade in or out. Like that. So they're like breathing or steady. Okay. And if you want to media controls there, and you got voice controls like I said before. Voice controls. Stick them in your ear. Stop music. And you can stop. And you can play next song. Next track. play music, stop music, volume up, volume down. So you can use voice controls. So this is about a minute. Let's see how far we can go with the next one. Right. So going back to how we switch on the lights, let's have a look here. Okie dokie, see long press. Both of them, they switch off. Press them again, switch on. Put them in your ear. Play music. Perfect. Stop music. Play music. Next song. Perfect. So then it plays the next song. I don't know what that is. Let's see what that is. Okay, so Samsung Bixby uses these permissions, microphones, blah, 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 blah. All right, I'm not going to use Bixby with this. I just like these voice commands. I love these. Is there any other ones you can use? No. Oh, it tells you here that the lights are on. Volume down. Volume down. Ambient sound. All right. Perfect. Okay, so let's go back again. And that's it. You've literally connected it. Put them in the ear. Red is right. Blue is left. Take them off. They fit snug. Oh, I like those. These are my new favourite buds, I reckon. USB-C. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3. Perfect. Well, this was Cyprus Real Tech Reviews with a little mini review of this and an unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like and comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.